feel-good factor driving Bitcoin, Ethereum price higher. Boris Johnson received record $1.2 million donation from serial crypto investor. Failed 3AC founders to launch new crypto exchange GTX. Ripple's former lead engineer slams 3AC's new crypto project. El Salvador paves way for first sovereign blockchain bond as BTC breaks $21,000 ceiling. Hello and welcome to 3.0 I am Vishakha Thakur. Prices of Bitcoin, Ethereum and other cryptocurrencies continue to widen gains, benefiting from the overall feel-good factor. Bitcoin surpassed the $21,000 level mark. BTC traded at $21,190. This current BTC pump is paired up with significant surge in its trading volume. The most popular digital currency recorded a 13% spike in trading volume in the last 24 hours. Ethereum was recently approaching $1,600. It was last trading at $1,574. A rush of favorable economic data, most notably a decline in the US Consumer Price Index last week, catapulted crypto and stock prices upward. Ruchi Sharma joins us to tell us about how the global cryptocurrency market is performing today.
Cryptocurrency market trade positive on Tuesday as Bitcoin consolidates. IC15 index of cryptocurrencies was trading up by 1.2% at 30,800 points. The strategist referred to the Federal Open Market Committee meeting on Feb 1st to decide on interest rate hikes. The rate hike is currently expected to be lower than any rate hike since early 2022, with sentiment favoring a 0.25% increase according to CME Group's FedWatch tool. The global cryptocurrency market capitalization was trading higher around $990 billion, rising 0.8% in the last 24 hours. However, the total crypto trading volume decreased by 12% to stand at $45.5 billion. The US dollar index, which is a relative measure of the US dollar strength against a basket of foreign currencies, was currently at 102.5 points. The Fed will deliver speeches this week, but a decision on interest rate hikes remains comparatively far. If interest rate increases are below the market expectations, then risk assets are likely to benefit and crypto prices will hence continue the uptrend. However, there is too much uncertainty for the time being, analysts believe. Stock futures traded lower as investors attempted to keep building on early 2023 momentum and looked ahead to further corporate earnings. Future tied to the Dow Jones Industrial Average lost 75 points or 0.2%. S&P 500 futures dropped 0.3% while Nasdaq 100 futures slid 0.4%. Bitcoin was trading at $21,143, up 1.5%. Ethereum, the second largest crypto, was up by 1%, trading at $1,562. BNB was up 0.6% to trade at $300. Solana SOL was up 0.3% and was trading at $23.5. After a brief hiatus, Solana has returned to outperforming the market, encouraged by a massive 30% rally on Saturday alone. Despite cooling off today, the blockchain is around 43% higher week on week. 2022 was marred by terrible blockchain performance, numerous hacks, and exposure to FTX. Tending to these issues could put the network in good stead for the year ahead. Avalanche AVAX was trading at $16.8, higher 1.1%. Polygon Matic was trading up by 1.7% to trade at $1. Cardano's ADA token was up by 0.4% to trade at $0.35. Ripple's XRP token traded at $0.38, up by 0.3%. Polkadot was up by 3.2% to trade at $6. However, Doge, the popular meme coin, was trading down by 0.5% at $0.083. Shiba Inu was trading down by 0.1%.
Thank you, Ruchi, for your in-depth analysis of the global cryptocurrency market. And now back to the headlines. Former UK Prime Minister Boris Johnson is said to have received a $1.2 million donation from a Thai cryptocurrency investor and Bitfinex or Tether parent company shareholder. Christopher Harbon made the record gift to Boris Johnson Limited, the former Prime Minister's political office that funds his activities, according to an updated register of interests on January 13th. The register also reveals how Johnson received over £250,000 from the blockchain company Parallel Chain Lab in exchange for a talk he gave in Singapore. Bloomberg lists Harbon as a former board member under his Thai identity. Suzu and Kyle Davis, the founders of the now-defunct cryptocurrency hedge fund 3 Arrows Capital and crypto exchange CoinFlex, are seeking to raise $25 million to launch a new exchange called GTX, according to two separate presentation decks. The new exchange will specialize in trading bankruptcy claims filed by cryptocurrency companies such as Mt. Gox, Celsius, BlockFi, and the most recent FTX. The fundraising announcement comes 2 months after the collapse of crypto giant FTX, which left over 1 million debtors without money. According to the pitch deck, the new exchange takes advantage of the current situation by allowing depositors to transfer their FTX claims to GTX and earn immediate credit in the form of a token called USDG. The exchange's name is a pun on the acronym FTX. In fact, one of GTX's pitch decks begins with the phrase because G comes after F. Cryptographer Nick Bokless strongly criticized the latest cryptocurrency project by Suzu and Kyle Davis, the co-founders of failed cryptocurrency hedge fund 3 Arrows Capital. Ripple's former lead engineer accused Zhu and Davis of trying to steal more money with their latest venture. On one hand, I can't say I am surprised scammers gonna scam, but on the other hand, this is so far beyond insane that there's no word for it, he added. Bokless went on to opine that the hubris and arrogance of the disgraced 3AC founders know no bounds. The co-founders of the now-defunct cryptocurrency hedge fund Terra partnered with CoinFlex co-founders Mark Lamb and Sudhu Arumugam to secure $25 million for the new GTX exchange. The new project is designed to make it easier for creditors of failed cryptocurrency exchanges like FTX to access their funds. In 2021, the Republic of El Salvador announced that it would raise $1 billion through Bitcoin bonds, also known as volcano bonds, in order to fund Bitcoin mining with renewable energy, including that generated by the country's active volcanoes. After the Salvadorian Legislative Assembly passed a law governing the issuance of digital assets other than Bitcoin, the seemingly distant dream may soon become a reality. Despite being scheduled for March of last year, the legislative agenda was repeatedly postponed due to the bear market. The bill, dubbed the Digital Asset Issuance Securities Act, provides a legal framework for the issuance of digital assets and classifies other non-Bitcoin cryptocurrencies such as tokenized securities, alternative coins, and their virtual asset service providers. And now let's go to Ruchi Sharma to get an update on the 3 buzzing stocks of the day.
Binance announced the launch of Binance Mirror, an off-exchange settlement solution, on January 16th. Institutional investors can essentially look collateral by connecting their qualified cold wallet to Binance custody. After that, the asset can be mirrored on the Binance Exchange account. Binance notes that assets in cold storage will be safe as long as the mirror position on the Binance Exchange remains open, which can be settled at any time. Binance Mirror assets account for more than 60% of all assets secured on Binance custody, according to the crypto exchange. Binance Mirror experienced significant growth in the 4th quarter of 2022. By using the Mirror service, institutional investors have access to the range of products on the Binance exchange as well as institutional VIP loans. Despite this development, BNB was trading at $299, down 1.78% in the last 24 hours, with a market capitalization of $47 billion. Algorand's TVL has increased by 137% in the last 7 days. Algorand made headlines recently for its latest accomplishment. DeFi Llama revealed that Algorand's total value locked increased by 137%. With this new development, Algorand was back within 18% of its previous all-time high. Not only this, the TVL increased, but Algorand's total addresses increased in the last 7 days, according to Algo Explorer. This too was an upbeat update indicating a greater number of users on the network. Despite this progress, Algo was trading at $0.2324, down 3.16% in the last 24 hours, with a market capitalization of $1 billion. Uniswap stated in a recent proposal that it would be deploying on Starknet's mainnet. Starknet is a permissionless ZK rollup that inherits Ethereum mainnet security. This move by Uniswap has the potential to provide numerous benefits to the platform and its users. The reduced gas cost on Uniswap transactions is one of the primary advantages of deploying Uniswap on Starknet. Uniswap could potentially reduce the cost associated with using the platform by deploying it on a ZK rollup with a thriving and growing ecosystem. This could make it more appealing to users, particularly those looking to make small transactions. Another advantage of deploying Uniswap on Starknet is the growing ecosystem. Uniswap could potentially tap into Starknet's expanding ecosystem of developers and projects to expand its offerings and services. Despite these potential benefits, Uniswap's revenue has been declining in recent months. Uniswap was trading at $6.55, down 2.15% in the last 24 hours with a market capitalization of $4 billion.
Thank you, Ruchi. Well, that's all in today's special bulletin. This is me, Vishakha Thakur, signing off. For more such updates, please like, share and subscribe to 3.0 TV.